Sun.
Today is my grandpa's 90th.
Oh my god, I have problem.
William, what are you doing?
Oh my god, I'm filming a TikTok.
What do you have there in your arm?
I got a sticker from your drawer.
That's not a sticker! You need to stop taking my stuff.
I'm sorry, I just want a sticker.
Do you even know what that is?
Sticker?
No, it's wax to take off your hair.
Yeah! I want it off, I want it off.
You need to rip it off fast.
I want to rip it off. Okay, 5, 6, 7.
Oh,
Oh my god.
William, stop being so dramatic.
I miss me hair follicles. Ah!
Why are you sad?
Because a piece of me is gone.
But hair goes back fast though.
I don't want another one. I just want that one. It is gone.
William, what are you doing?
Oh my god, I have problem. So there is a bunch of alligators right there. Oh my god. And they say for me not to feed it, but I have a piece of chicken right here, so I'm going to feed me alligators. Hi butties, you guys are all cuties. Hello there. Hello. Oh. Butties? Okay, we gotta go. Dude, we gotta go. I love me gators. Hi cutie butties, I want to touch you. Oh yeah, butties. Oh my god, you got to be on diet. I love nature. Okay, I have serious big problem. Like the video and I touch him in his mouth. Oh my god, I found baby deer. I'm gonna touch it. Hi little babies, you guys want some watermelons? I love nature and nature loves me. Oh my goodness, you're so beautiful. Hi puppies. I see more baby deer. You're such a good boy, puppies. I want to take you home. I don't want to leave my baby deer. I missed him already. I want some more. Oh my god, I found Rudolph the red-nosed reindeer. Oh my god, I think we're in love. Hi puppies. Oh my god, you look so cute. You're such a good boy. Oh my gosh, they're chasing him. Guys, I took one home. Oh my god. Alright guys, so I'm about to do a procedure that is extremely, very life-changing. So if you guys like to go ahead and see what I do to my body or to anything, make sure you guys are gonna let me know. This might get emotional. It's very, very life-changing. So if you guys like to go and see, make sure you guys are gonna follow me on my Instagram. Oh lord.
Alright guys, so as you guys may know, I'm Willie's sister. Just wanted to let you guys know Willie's recovering, everything's fine. If you guys want to see his reveal, make sure to follow him on his Instagram. And I have a surprise for you. Ready? 1, 2, 3.
You gave me a show.
No, turn around.
You gave me a P1. Yeah.
William, you need to treat him very gentle.
Very gentle.
William, the pinata. William, what are you doing? I have a surprise for you. Ready? 1, 2, 3. William, what are you doing?
I'm going to meet my daughter today.
You have a daughter?
Yeah. If she doesn't look like me, I don't want her.
Oh my god.
Okay, you want to do the reveal?
Let me see.
Look at her.
Oh.
She looks just like me. Look. You see? Okay, now I'm going to put her on water and we're going to see if she really
Very
is.
gentle. 3, 2. Oh my god, William.
I'm being gentle.
Oh my god, that's not gentle.
Okay, you ready for the actual reveal?
Let's do it. She's blonde though.
My wife cheated on me. She doesn't look like me.
What's wrong now?
Look, she doesn't even look like me. Look.
What? Calm down. I don't understand.
She says you're fat.
What?
I agree. You know what? You're very much of a brat. I don't want her.
So what did you do?
I'm pregnant again. I'm 4 months.
William, what are you doing?
Okay, Orly, so you want to prank Willie?
Yeah.
Look what mommy has for you. Fake eyelashes. Are you ready? Orly, be quiet. Be quiet. Gentle. Good job. Here. Put the other one on. Be quiet. Go. Good. Wake him up. Go. Willie, come on.
Dude,
we gotta
what?
go. Let's
Whoa.
go to the store real quick. Come
Why are
on.
you recording me, bro?
You look so pretty from your nap. I love it. You look beautiful.
God,
Come on,
you're
let's
so
go.
annoying.
Let's go. Willie, what are you doing? Willie, you
Drinking
look,
water. Why you keep recording me?
you look so beautiful today.
Stop calling me that, bro. You're so annoying, dude.
Willie, you ready?
Why you keep recording me, dude?
Willie, I can't let you go.
Like
this.
what?
Look at yourself in the mirror.
Oh my god! I didn't even notice that.
Okay, Orly.
William, what are you doing?
Oh my god! I am taking nap.
What do you have down there?
I have chicken.
Why is that there?
I love nature. Nature loves me.
William, you're literally going crazy.
I am taking chicken nap.
You know that's the mattress where we sleep on, right?
I'm sorry.
I love nature and nature loves me.
No, it doesn't.
Yes, it does. Okay, I'm going night-night.
It's not nighttime. It's day.
Night-night.
I'm gonna lock you out of the house.
Night-night.
William, what are you doing?
Alright guys, today we're gonna do the duct tape challenge. Alright guys, so if you guys really think that I'm gonna go ahead and do a challenge, well you're wrong. Guys, today I'm gonna go ahead and tie up JP. And I'll put this baby mouse on him. Oh lord. Are you ready?
Yes.
Alright, let's do this. Alright, so I'll put the timer in 3, 2, get out. Go, 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 go. Alright, JP, I got a little surprise for you. Don't move, don't move. I can put a mouse. I can put a mouse. Do it. Go look, it's a little mouse. Go. Go, remember JP. Oh my god, he's on you. Oh, he pulled on you. Ah, relax.
Oh, get me out.
No, relax, relax.
Oh, no,
look, he's on you.
No, get me out.
Look, he's not even, bro, relax. Oh my god, he's adorable, guys. Check it out. He's so cute. By the way, he pooped on you. Alright, guys, today we're gonna do the duct tape challenge. Alright, guys, so I kind of did something to my nephew. Guys, so I painted his face. Yo, Arlie, do you think your mama's gonna be mad?
Yeah.
Yo, do you love Tata?
I want to hit your face.
You wanna hit my face?
Yeah.
Oh no. Orly, you wanna tell your mom? Yeah. Okay, let's go.
William, what the hell is that?
I painted his whole face. Yo, do you like it?
No, I don't.
You don't? Wait, why is this dog humping me? Dude, but he looks beautiful.
You need to stop letting him do stuff.
What the hell's wrong with this dog?
so tired of
What? I'm sorry. Ow, bro. I'm sorry. Chill. Alright, guys. So we're going to be filming the biggest slide in the house. Go, go, go. Oh, oh.
Go!
Oh my god.
Go! Oh my God, William!
Yo, that's gonna be us. Look.
No, not us. Oh my God!
Oh my god.
What happened?
Okay, so I guess it's over.
No, it's not over. We are going to be filming.
Yo, Willie, catch any you buy for me. Yo, Willie, catch any you keep it.
We gotta have problems. Guys, go follow me on my YouTube at WillieTube2 and go follow me on my Instagram at WillieTube. Guys, TikTok might be getting banned by tomorrow and I really don't want to miss you guys because you guys are literally a big part of my life and I don't ever want to lose you guys ever in my life. So please go follow me and let's stay connected. I'll be posting on all of my social media, so go follow me and let's not lose each other. We gotta have problems. Guys, go follow me on my YouTube.
Even makes sense, put the rollie on my wrist, so they know what time it is.
He just wanna fuck with me cause I'm the one. He got all the drugs and I got all the guns.
Don't even make sense, put the rollie on my wrist, so they know what time it is.
He just wanna fuck with me cause I'm the one. He got all the drugs and I got all the guns.
Don't even make sense, but
Como un palacio, dame esa manera que mueve tu carrera me hace que me acelera esa como un palacio.
William, I'll give you $100 to hold your breath for 1 minute.
$100. I got this. Goodbye.
William! Okay, so he's been like this for 5 minutes. He's doing such a good job. Damn, he really wants this money. William! You were there for so long. William, I'll give you $100 to jump on the duck slowly.
I got this.
No! Oh my God! William, $100. Post the most embarrassing picture on your Instagram story right now.
Okay, fine. I'll post the most embarrassing picture, guys. Go ahead and check out my brand new Instagram
Oh my
picture.
God! Orly, I'll give you $100 if you slap Willie, okay?
Hi, buddy. Hi.
William, I'll give you $100 to hold your breath for 1 minute. William, look at this Barbie. I think she looks like me.
Does she look? She actually does look like you. Wait, I have an idea for her.
What?
Here, hi, my
William?
belly.
William!
Sorry, you look like a rat.
So why did you just do this,
Can
William?
I say sorry to her?
Nope.
Please, give me.
I think Penelope's upset.
I'm so.
Wait. William, look at this Barbie. I think she looks like me.
Does she look?
Alright guys, so about the bird, I have bad news. So I put her in that cage and unfortunately, she didn't make it. So if you guys don't know, there was this bird that I saved in the middle of the street yesterday. I literally stopped the whole traffic just to get it because it couldn't fly. I noticed that it didn't fly. And I brought it house, I gave him some food, I gave him some water, he didn't want to eat. I tried 4 feeding it and no luck, he just didn't want to eat. So I'm guessing that overnight the bird passed away. So yeah, at least I tried saving it, but unfortunately he just didn't make it. But yeah, just to keep you guys updated for that first video that I posted that a lot of you guys had questions for. But yeah, the bird unfortunately did not make it. So yeah, I feel bad now. All right guys.